I'm already being replaced. Welcome to Houston. This weekend we are in South Texas for the NHRA Spring Nationals. This weekend we have both the funny car and the dragster. Cameron's driving the dragster, and hopefully we do good. And we are fixing to tow it up to the line. Ready to go. This is a nice view. So the funny car just ran a 444. We're headed down to the top end to get him, service it later, but we've got to come back up and watch the dragster.
I got it. I got it.
Day 2 of the Houston Nats. Alright, so the funny car is currently qualified 13th and the dragster is 18th. But yesterday we are really happy with the start of the dragster's run. smoked the tires after the 60 foot, but it ran in 869 60 foot, which is really fast. And the dragster is back, and Dad is super happy with it. The funny car ran a 444. It smoked the tires, through the blower belt at about half track. Both cars are back together. We're just waiting on Dad to adjust the valves and warm them up. We run at 2 today and 5, so should be fun. Alright, so that was quite the turnaround. I am sitting here in the car because we are fixing to pull up and hopefully make Q3. Again because it had a holdout. Gonna go back and service it tonight, and we will be back tomorrow for race day. And so we just got the funny car warmed up, and in a little while we are going to go up and run. I honestly don't know who we are running. Hey, do you know who we're running? Okay, nobody knows who we're actually running, but it should be good, and hopefully the car runs well. Update, I figured out who we're running. We're running Robert Height. Alright, so we are rolling under the tower momentarily. We run Robert Height. Hopefully we do good. We actually made a really good run. We ran a 407 to Heights 393, which we couldn't have run. But we're happy with the run we did make, and we're gonna go back and take it apart, take the pitch down, and we'll do it again in a few weeks in Epping.